Hey guys, it's me Billy. Just been learning at some butterfly knife tricks. This is my knife that I've been using. You know, just a simple thing. $20. It's pretty good. I mean, it's high quality. I mean, like, you can do stuff with it. So, today I'm gonna be showing you this trick I was taught. TF2, Team Fortress 2. I'm not sure if you heard of the Spy, but I have. Alright. Today's trick, you're gonna start with it upside down. You're going to put your thumb and your index finger here. And you're going to hold it flat. Right? And then you're going to spin it around straight across. Alright. And once you spin it straight across, it should hook around your finger. When you spin it straight, you're going to let go. Catch it, bring it down, and bring it up. So the trick should look like this when you do it. Like that. Now one more time. Okay. And there we are, folks.